So guys, thank you so much for being here. So in this tutorial I will tell you how you can change the navigation color programmatically from your Swift language. Okay, in last video I have tell you how you can open one view controller from the another view control. In this video I am going to tell you how you can change the navigation color programmatically and how you can assign the text, how you can change the text color also and text font also. So keep watching. Thank you. So guys, this is the code of my previous video. Here I will open my second view controller, okay, and here I'll delete this code and I'll give one method called as configure navigation. Okay, here no parameter, return type also nil. So first of all, what will be the things? First of all, I will set the title color, okay, sorry, title name. So self dot navigation item dot title equals, and here you can give the title like my view controller. Okay, so where it will visible, so I will show you. Build and run, click on me. Oh, I forgot to call this function. I will call this function configure. Now again I will run and I will show you the output. Click on, here you can see my view controller. Okay, now second things, how we can change the background color of this navigation. Okay, so self dot navigation controller dot navigation bar dot tint color. Here you can give your desired color like green. If we'll see the output, then you can see here. Click on me. It's not changing, something we are missing. Self dot navigation controller dot navigation bar dot background color equals dot system green. Once again we will see the output. Click on me. So background color has been came, but it's not changing the actual color. Okay, so I'll do with that. If I replace this with bar tint color, okay, then we'll see the output finally. Click on me. Here you can see color has been changed. So this is bar tint color. Okay, make sure it should be bar tint color. Now I would like to change the color of this title. Okay, so how we can do that? So for that you have to write let attributes equals, so it will be ns attribute string dot key dot foreground color dot ui color dot white. Now we have to set these attributes to our navigation item. So how we can do that? Self dot navigation controller dot navigation bar dot title attributes, and here equals self attributes. Now if we'll see the output, then output will be our desired output. Okay, click on. So you can see background has been changed. Okay, now if you would like to give the font type, then so if we would like to change the font of this title, then how we can do? So here ns attributed string key dot font, here we have to give the font ui font, and here we have to pass the name of the font. We can say Vardhana and font size is 17. Okay, now again we will see the output. Click on, here you can see font has been changed. Okay, if you would like to bold, then pass bold. It should work if it is exist. Yeah, here you can see bold has been changed. So that was the complete scenario for setting the title and changing the color of navigation bar. Now last thing I'm going to tell you how you can assign the menu button programmatically. So for that, what you have to do, first of all, I'll make it fix it dot. Now I'm going to set the menu button. Okay, so how we are going to set the menu buttons? So here it is, self dot navigation item dot left or right. You have to decide this one. Okay, in this example I'm going to set the left bar items. Okay, equals UI bar button item. Here I'll take, here you can choose whatever you want. Okay, but in this case I will choose the with image. So first of all I have to give the image name. Okay, so UI image from system I am taking. Okay, so I'll give the system string. Here I can say it's gear. Gear is already existing image. Okay, so now UI button item style, and style is done or plain, it's up to you. Target, here you need to give the target means self. Okay, and here on button click event, so I'll make as selector, has selector. Here I have to give the name of the function, let's say tap for gear. Okay, now I will create this function here at obj function, and here it is. Okay, now let's say I'm printing here, print yes. Okay, now let's see the output of this one. Stop and build again. Click on me. Here you can see button has been came. Now click on this, and now you can see the print output is also coming. Okay guys, so I hope it's very clear to you. If you have any doubt, then please comment into the comment box. So guys, you have one task list. Now you have to tell me how you can change the color of these icons. Okay, comment into the comment box and update me how you can change. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt related to the complete video, then please comment into the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find a lots of video related to Swift development, like how you can use user default, what is the collection view, how you can use it, scroll button, UI scroll view, or OTP screen, onboarding screen, many things you will understand. So please keep subscribing and keep watching, keep boosting your skills. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.